Okay, part 4. I've been doing some work, finally got my parts in. Got the exhaust on, got the chain on. Still got to change the sprocket, but it'll work for now until I get a chance to do that. Got a seat, because it was $200 to get a seat recovered, and I got that off eBay for like $40, so doesn't make any sense to get it covered. Put some glowing pegs. Just did a quick spray on the tank for now. I'll sand it into a final later. Miscellaneous wiring, all the stuff in the front put together. That's about where we're at. I did not hear my pump go off. There it goes. She's back and she's alive. So, we'll take it outside and goof around for a little bit.